Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about the difference between the algebraic expression and an equation, children. There is a lot of confusion between these two terms, equation and expression. Some children feel that they are one and the same, but they are not same, children. There is a difference between an algebraic expression and an equation. So, we are going to explore those differences here. So, first of all, we will see what are algebraic expressions. Actually, algebraic expression, children, are actually the combination of some literals, that is variables, and some constant terms, and they are put together and they are connected together by some mathematical operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I have written here few for all of you. You can see that I have written here 7x minus 5. You can see there is a variable x, there is a constant term 5, and the terms are combined with a mathematical operator subtraction. Now, in the next expression, you can see, children, that I have used here the variables like x, y and z, and those variables and terms are combined together by the mathematical operators like subtraction and addition. Now, in the next expression, we can see that the variables are x and y, and the constant terms are is 3, and the mathematical operator which I have used here is division. In the next example, I have used the variable x and the constant terms like 3 and 5, and the mathematical operators which I have used are addition and division, children. Now, in the last one, again there are few variables, few constant terms, and they are put together by the mathematical operators addition and subtraction. So, such expressions are called algebraic expressions, children, where we have some variables, we have some constants, and they are put together by some mathematical operators. But now we will learn what is the meaning of the word equations. There are some things which are common in both algebraic expression and equation, children. In equation also you will see there are some constant terms, there are some variables, there are mathematical operators in equation too. But what is the difference? The difference here is actually this equal sign, children. In an equation we always have an equal sign. You can see all these equations which I have written here on the board have equal sign. Okay, children, and there are always two sides of the equation. One is called left hand side and other one is called right hand side, and both the sides have equal sign in between. So, actually equation means the statement of equality, where both the sides have the equal value, then only we put equal sign in between. Okay, if one is greater, other one is smaller, then equal sign cannot be put there. So, equation is actually the statement of equality. You can see that these equal signs are not there in any of the expression. Equal sign, whenever we put equal sign in an expression, it becomes an equation, or you can say when we put two algebraic expressions together with an equal sign, that becomes an equation. Now, we will learn what is the meaning of linear equation of one variable. So, to find out whether the given equation is a linear equation or not, children, we need to find the degree of the equation. If the degree of the equation is 1, we say that the given equation is a linear equation. You must all be knowing already about the degree. Degree is actually the highest power of the unknown variable in the equation. So, here I have already written few equations. So, let us see what are the degrees of these equations. Here we have the variable x, and what is the power of x? That is 1. So, degree of this equation is 1. So, this equation is a linear equation. Now, the second equation we see, again the variable is x and the power of x is 1. So, degree of the equation is again 1. So, again this equation is a linear equation. Now, how many variables have we used in these two equations, children? Only one variable, that is x. So, number of variables are only 1 here. Now, in the third equation, again the power is 1. So, degree is 1. Number of variables which we have used, that is again is 1. Now in the second last equation children, again the degree of the equation is 1 because the variable is y and its power is 1, and only one variable we have used, that is y. So number of variable which we have used is 1. Now what about the last equation children? We have two variables here, but both of them are same. That means the variables which we have used in the last equation is 1 again. So only one variable, and what is the highest power of y? Again 1. So you can see that in all these examples which I have shown here, the degree of all these equations is 1, and in all the equations I have used only one variable. So all these equations here are the example of linear equations children of one variable. All of these are linear equation and all of them have only one variable there. So all of these are the example of linear equation of one variable. Now we will test our knowledge, what we have learned so far. Have you understood or not? So for that I have here few questions children. We have to find out which of these are equations and which are not. Now you can see the first example. In the first example I have here x plus y is equals to 4. So to check whether the given expression is an equation or not, what we need to check? We need to check there should be an equal sign, there should be two sides of the equation, left hand side and right hand side. So in the first example we have left hand side, we have right hand side, we have equal sign. So first one is an equation. What about the second one? Second one is not an equation because we cannot see any equal sign there. Third one is also not an equation because again we cannot see any equal sign. Fourth one, yes, it is an equation because we can see there is an equal sign, there is left hand side, there is right hand side. So this is an equation. What about the fifth one children? Yes, it is again an equation because again we can see an equal sign in between. We can see left hand side, we can see right hand side. So this is an equation. What about the sixth one? No, this is not an equation. Why? Because there is no equal sign. What about the last one? Yes, it is an equation. Why? Because there is again an equal sign. There is a left hand side, there is a right hand side. So yes, this is an equation children. Now I have some more questions for you. We have to tell now which of the following are the linear equation of one variable, and I taught you already that we need to check the degree, we need to count how many variables have we used there. If the degree is 1, number of variables which we have used is only 1, then we say that the given equation is a linear equation of one variable. So let us check the first equation here children. So how many variables can you see here? There is one x, there is one y, that means we have used two variables. So will this be a linear equation of one variable? No, absolutely not. This is a linear equation because its degree is 1, but it is of two variable. It is not of one variable. So we'll put a cross over here. What about the second equation? Here the highest power is 2. That means the degree of the equation is 2. So this is not a linear equation children. In the linear equation, the degree of the equation should be 1. It cannot be 2. Again, otherwise it is a quadratic equation. It is not a linear equation. What about the third one? In the third one, we can see that here we have two variables x and y. So again, this is not a linear equation of one variable. What about the fourth example children? Here the degree is 1 but the variables are 2. So again this is not an example of linear equation of one variable. Now let's check the last one. In the last equation children, the number of variables which we have used is only 1. Even the degree of this equation is 1. So yes, this is a linear equation of one variable children. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'll teach you how to solve an linear equation and how to evaluate an algebraic expression. Bye bye for now. Thank you.